Okay guys, you asked me to show you how to make money with Cpagrip, and the method that I'm going to show you today is available worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can apply this method. And because I know that most of you are beginners, today's method is 100% free, so it will cost you no money. So without further ado, let me show you how to make money with Cpagrip. But before we begin, I have to say that you can successfully use this method for Max Bounty, CPA Lead and other CPA marketing networks. But because we are talking about how to make money with Cpagrip, what you need to do, you need to go on Cpagrip and you need to register. Click here on register and you need to populate all of these fields. Click here on register, confirm your email and you will register for a free account. Now next thing you need to do, you need to go on, log into your account and you need to go on offers. Here you can see, you can select offers by the country. So I can choose United States, for example. So let me just scroll here, click on United States. You can select by the category. I will choose email submit, email and zip submit because those are the easiest one to promote. And I will leave it as all devices. And here you can see name of the offer. Here you can see you can earn $1.79 for every email submitted. And here you can see people on average earn 11 cents per click, which means if you send, for example, 100 people to this offer, on average, you can earn $11. So I'm actually looking for a specific offer. So let me just scroll through this to find, okay, this is the offer. Get a fuel voucher now. Now, because of the current situation in the world, fuel is really expensive and I think that this offer will actually work really, really well. So when I click here, I can get more information. Here I can see landing page. Now that is really important and this looks like a good landing page. Here I can see the title. Here I can see short description. Here I can see I can earn $1.88 for every email submit. And here I can choose domain name. I can choose the link. And I will just leave it as it is for this example. And here I can see my Cpagrip affiliate link. So now that I have my Cpagrip offer, now I need to start promoting it. And for that, you can go on a website called Giveaway Frenzy. And what you need to do, you need to click here on Submit Giveaway in upper right corner. Click here and here you can see they have 4 plans. We will stick for a free plan for now, but later you can use one of these plans if you want. So when I scroll here, I will choose no promotion, okay? You don't need to choose any of these, just leave it as it is. Click here on no, do not optimize because we are using a free option. Here you need to add a name, you need to give, here you need to add a website. So I can go here and I can choose this website here, okay? So let me just copy this and I will paste it here, okay? And this is my Cpagrip affiliate link. So I will just delete this part here and this is my URL, okay? And I will actually say, just say fuel, for example, free fuel, okay? Okay, and giveaway title, I will go back here, get Control C, and I will paste that here, okay? Price value, here you can see 10 full tanks of gasoline. So I will say 10 full tanks of, okay, I don't have enough. I would just say, let's just say $100, for example, $100 description. I can simply copy this, go back here, Control C, and date. Let's just say, for example, July 21st, and I need to target United States because this offer is for United States, as you can see here, okay? Select image, I already prepared image, this is the image, give it a few seconds to actually upload. You need to add your first name, you need to add your last name, you need to add your email address. As you can see here, total is $0 because we used free option. What is 5 plus 2? It is 7 in this case. And then click here on submit giveaway and you will submit your giveaway and they need to review it, and after review they will approve it and you will start getting traffic. But later when you start making some money, what you can do is you can simply use one of their paid programs. For example, if you use this of $80, they will actually submit that your giveaway to 100 giveaway websites, and potentially you will get even more free traffic, and potentially you can make even more money with Cpagrip. Okay, but like I said, for the now, you don't need to use any of these options. You can use this free option for now. Like I said, for $80, they will submit your Cpagrip offer to 100 free giveaway websites. But you don't really need to pay them $80 to do that. What you can do is, you can go on Google and you can find those websites by yourself. And then you can simply submit your Cpagrip offer to these websites by yourself, so you don't have to pay them $80 to do that for you. Okay, I mean, if you have $80, you can pay them to do that for you, but if you don't, then you can do it by yourself, totally free. You don't have to pay anything. Another thing that you can do is, you can simply go on Reddit, and here in search bar, you can search something like freebies, free giveaways, and stuff like that. For example, freebies. Click here, and what you need to do, you need to scroll here and you need to read rules. Every subreddit has its own rules, and if your Cpagrip offer satisfies these rules here, then you can go back here, click here and submit your Cpagrip offer here, and then just go back and find more related subreddits, like I said, giveaways, free giveaways and stuff like that, and submit your Cpagrip offer on those subreddits as well. And also try to send as much free traffic as you can to your Cpagrip offer. Use Pinterest, use Twitter, use Instagram, TikTok, related forums, Quora, and so on and so on. And the more traffic you send, potentially you can make more money. And like I said, this is an easy how to make money with Cpagrip method, because you don't really need any expensive softwares. You don't need to set up anything. You don't need to do any of those complicated stuff. All you have to do is just invest some time and invest some work, and you can make money with CPA marketing. It is that simple, it is that easy. So this is how to make money with Cpagrip. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.